Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then you need to type Gboard and download this app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Then click Enable in Settings and tap on the switcher next to Gboard. After that, select OK and select Input Method. Then click on Gboard over here and tap on Done. Now go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. After that, tap on the photo that you want to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. Finally, select Apply, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!